In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off voice typing in Gboard keyboard. First of all, you need to open your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Now tap on voice typing and click on weight switcher next to it to activate it. When you finished, just go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Then hit allow. When you finished, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to switch it off, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!